I could never paint in this getup. Like, what was I gonna create? To me, carnival celebration or Mardi Gras revolves around some type of a mystery with a mask and kind of a feather thing coming out the top of my head. In my mind anyway. I don't know how actually true that is. I've never been to Mardi Gras. Secret be known, I'm actually a bit of an introvert. You know, I make shit up all the time. Making it up as I go along. These earrings, I haven't worn earrings in 2 years. I look like a gypsy. I think I need to remove these things. Maybe I should just put the mask on. I feel much more comfortable talking to you like that. It hides the bags under my eyes, if I'm totally honest. Purple, gold, green, the colors of Mardi Gras, which if you're a fluid artist has the potential to turn into mud, which it did. I think this is slipping onto my eye. And then we had to bling it out. Glitter, sequins, or Mardi Gras beads. I kind of took my inspiration as if I was going to create like a poster for a Mardi Gras masquerade ball. Let's see what kind of a disaster I can make that didn't turn to mud of fluid art. And then I'm gonna bling it out. It's gonna be a bit of a mixed media piece. I've never done a mixed media piece. If you've never been here before, today's your first day. Anyway, let's get this out of the way because I gotta remove the mask, take out the contacts, and throw on my apron. Anyway, as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Welcome to my channel. See you down on the canvas.
I could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no way I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want it your way, but I won't do it, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to open the skies he left behind. You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. He's been seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this. And baby, I know it hurts. I know it hurts. The faster you realize, the quicker you learn. So don't be afraid to cry every tear you got inside. And baby, I know it hurts.
I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you.
You said hello and I lost my control in just one tiny second. You do to me what I've seen in the movies, but this really happening. My mind explodes. I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload. Don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure.
Okay, I cleaned up my table and now we are going to start the blinging out process. Yeah, so 6-year-old Tiffany is pretty excited about this concept.
So
Tiffany doesn't really know how to do this. I literally can't stop myself. I don't want to stop. I want to pour glitter.
Close to you. My walls are down, they've been burned to the ground by the voice of an angel.
So next will be, I guess, part 3, which, no spoiler alert yet. Take this beautiful gold mask. I am going to hot glue gun. I can't believe I'm doing this. Melt the canvas in the paint.
I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you. So pretty I could die. I can't be close to you, close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. Under the surface, I don't know what I will do. 'Cause I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you.
Well, here it is. This is the finished piece that I made. The bloody thing is so shiny, I think you need like sunglasses to look at it because of all the bloody glitter. The light just reflects off of it. So thank you, Cindee, for requesting that we bling it out, because it is the Mardi Gras Bling It On Pourade. Oh, I think it really captured the bling it on, don't you agree? What I did was I blew out a chaos style Dutch pour on the top, which you saw it kind of turn into mud. So it took a couple of tries to kind of get the composition, because what I wanted to do was kind of create the feather plume, if that even makes sense, across the top of the piece of artwork. And then of course I put the glitter on, and then I took a mask that was kind of, well, that was like a goldy lace, and I glued it on. I cannot believe I attached this with a glue gun, but it is what it is. And then I kind of blinged it out a little bit. So let me just take you in for a bit of a close-up as far as the mask. So you can see the mask and all the little rhinestoney sequency things that I put on here. I love the way the colors turned out. I wish I probably would have used a little bit less glitter. I really wanted to show you the whole thing as I hold it here in place, trying to reduce the glare. This is her. Yeah, it's a girl. I don't know why it's a girl. I just think it's a girl. So here you go. How exciting is that? I hope so far that you've enjoyed our Mardi Gras Bling It On Pourade. Cindee put a lot of effort into this. So thank you, Cindee from Cynthia Porter Studios, for bringing all of these fluid artists together across these 3 days to kind of show you our interpretation of Mardi Gras. In the description below, I've put a link to all the other artists. 5 have gone before me already. If you missed out on any of those, you got some catching up to do. And then after me is Kathleen over at Cause Creations. I'll link in the end screen directly into her channel and onto her Mardi Gras. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a cramp in my hand. I'm holding on to this. I'm actually kind of excited to see it. This is an experience for all of us too. We're kind of going through the Pourade with you. We're getting to see what everybody else created. It's been an interesting experience, to say the least. Yeah, I don't know what you all think of this. Please leave it in the comments below. I'd be happy to hear it. And don't forget, so today, 7 artists are going today. 5 already went before me. Tomorrow, we've got another 6 fluid artists. And then, of course, on the official Mardi Gras, Carnival, Fat Tuesday, whatever it is you want to call it, wherever you are in the globe and how you want to celebrate it, we'll have another 7 artists coming together. I hope that you'll come back and join us on that day as well. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. It really helps all of our channels so that all of you know what we're all up to on the platform at any given time with the new videos that we produce for your enjoyment, your entertainment, and inspiration. Look at that. Yeah, maybe I should go get my sunglasses. Because yeah, this thing's pretty bright. I have to admit, it's very bright. Okay, I wish I would have had time to resin it. Like if I thought it wasn't bright now and reflective. I can't imagine if I threw resin on the top of this thing. I think that if I would have resined it, it would have looked pretty cool. As this is my very first collaboration on YouTube, I think I want to preserve it and keep it. Thanks a lot for joining us. I will also create a playlist after this is all said and done, so that in case you're actually watching this 5 years from now on YouTube and you want to see what we all created at this moment in time in 2022, that playlist will forever be there for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Ciao for now.
When I get close to you, close to you, close to you.
You said hello and I lost my control in just one tiny second.